sun high in the sky. Warm wind gently blows by. Days are long, nights are bright. Feel the